What's up, guys? Nurse brought us to a new car show. It's in Culver City. Never actually been to a car show here, but a lot of classics. Yeah, there's traffic on this side. There's like 5 of the same cars. It just didn't seem like a... I didn't see Culver City as a classic car place.
Right, so when... Yeah.
F1 car? I think they all do that. Every car show embellishes to get you here.
Okay.
Anybody want a bug? Horse rims. What does that say? Spaghetti time? What do you call this one? The Bobo's nose? The nose car? Really? Same thing, like that classic show they do? Very hot. Some days the sun just burns. Yeah, so the crowd is basically all old classic cars. There's one Dodge Challenger. Yeah, this is one of the biggest car shows I've seen. It goes down like this street, that street, that street. Lots of old trucks. There's also that thing was at what's that convention they have in like Long Beach? Car Week or something? SEMA? No, not SEMA. Yeah, where they have like, yeah, they bring a bunch of like vendors inside and then they have the... Anybody tell us what this is?
The hydraulics right?
We don't know, can you tell us?
Yeah, it's the hydraulics.
Everybody's stopping by for the Bob's Big Boy burger car.
Oh, I don't know. All I see is Lover on my phone.
Bicycle. Yeah, look at this. Somebody needs to do some research into designing car shows because, man, having everyone walk this close to each other, you like barely get an angle of the car, you see?
Yeah.
Hobbs and Shaw. Yeah. Hot Rod. And we got live music and it's like your typical city downtown car show. It's true though, it's kind of like a stereotype to all these car shows, like the city ones. They're always classic cars, maybe one Ferrari. Nate has to go with this little camera. Let's see if those cars are actually there. guy's got a good business. He just draws on the back of his
It looks like a small car.
yeah. Good stuff, nurse.